Revenant B, stranded with a dead battery and dreading a tow truck? Revenant B is the innovative Jumpstarter that puts the power back in your hands literally. Forget messy cables and complicated procedures. This compact and user-friendly device packs a powerful punch. Revenant B connects effortlessly to your car's OBD2 port, making jump-starting a breeze. The clear digital display provides all the information you need for a safe and successful restart. Imagine the peace of mind knowing you can overcome a dead battery in under a minute. Revenant B is perfect for anyone who wants to avoid the hassle and expense of traditional jump-starting methods. It's compact enough to store in your glove compartment, making it a lifesaver whenever you need it. But Revenant B is more than just a jump starter. This versatile device also boasts a built-in pedal cam, adding an extra layer of security to your car. The pedal cam records footage whenever you press the brake, potentially providing valuable evidence in case of an accident. AC Future ETH. Tired of cramped and outdated RVs? Longing for a luxurious, comfortable, and sustainable mobile living experience? Then prepare to be amazed by the ETH, the electric transformer house by AC Future. The ETH is more than an RV, it's a revolution. Imagine a vehicle that transforms at your touch, expanding its walls to create a spacious and modern living area. You can customize both the interior and exterior to reflect your style. Picture yourself enjoying the freedom of the open road, with ample space to relax, dine, and even work. Perfect for weekend getaways or extended adventures. Advanced features like Starlink connectivity and co-pilot assistance keep you connected and navigating with ease. But the ETH isn't just about space and style, it's committed to sustainability. This electric vehicle minimizes your environmental impact. It even boasts an atmospheric water generator, allowing you to create fresh drinking water on the go. FlexFix love family bike rides, but hate the struggle of squeezing bikes into your car. The Opel Zafira. Tower Air. FlexFix is here to eliminate that struggle completely. Forget bulky roof racks and awkward maneuvering. This innovative car features a built-in bike carrier that takes your cycling adventures to the next level. The FlexFix system is seamlessly integrated. With a simple button press, a sturdy and secure bike carrier emerges from the rear bumper. No more wrestling with external racks or straps. The FlexFix deploys effortlessly, ready to carry your bikes with ease. Imagine the freedom of spontaneous bike adventures with the whole family. The FlexFix system can accommodate up to 4 bikes, perfect for even the most enthusiastic cycling crew. When you're not using it, the carrier disappears discreetly back into the bumper, maintaining the sleek design of the Zafira Tourer. But the FlexFix isn't just about convenience. It's also about safety and peace of mind. The system is designed to hold your bike securely, ensuring a smooth and worry-free ride. Plus, the clever design keeps your bikes accessible. Even with the carrier loaded, you can still easily open the tailgate to access the trunk. VlogiQ AiriQ. Does your truck suffer from an embarrassing squat when loaded down? Ditch the uneven look and handling with VlogiQ AiriQ Load Leveling, the complete air suspension solution. VlogiQ AiriQ isn't your average airbag kit. This pre-assembled system simplifies installation and features a powerful compressor to inflate air springs quickly, maintaining a level stance even under heavy loads. Plus, control and adjust air pressure right from your phone with the included Bluetooth app. Imagine hauling gear without sacrificing performance or aesthetics. VlogiQ AiriQ effectively levels your truck for a safer and more comfortable ride, whether you're towing a camper, hauling tools, or hitting off-road trails. But VlogiQ AiriQ offers more. Choose from single channel for basic applications or a dual channel option for independent air spring control, perfect for uneven terrain or heavy off-center loads. Indigo Robotic Wheels. Tired of bumpy rides and compromised handling in your electric vehicle? The future of electric mobility is here, and it rolls on Indigo Robotic Wheels. Indigo is engineering a revolution with their innovative wheel technology. These aren't your average tires. Indigo's robotic wheels are high-tech marvels, featuring electric motors, sensors, and software that work together to transform your driving experience. Imagine wheels that adjust and adapt in real time, providing superior comfort, handling, and even increased efficiency for your electric vehicle. Picture yourself cruising down the road on a cloud. Indigo's robotic wheels actively respond to road conditions, automatically adjusting suspension and steering for a smoother, more comfortable ride. They even enhance handling, allowing for sharper turns and improved stability, giving you greater confidence behind the wheel. But Indigo isn't just about comfort and performance. They're also focused on efficiency. The robotic wheels can optimize energy usage based on road conditions, potentially extending the range of your electric vehicle. Rough Country's Laser Whip Light Kit. Conquering off-road adventures at night is thrilling, but safety is key. Standard headlights leave blind spots, making it difficult to see hidden dangers. Introducing Rough Country's Laser Whip Light Kit, the ultimate lighting upgrade for off-road enthusiasts. These rugged and weatherproof LED whips are built to take a beating. Choose from vibrant colors to personalize your ride and enhance visibility. Plus, a wireless remote lets you switch colors, adjust brightness, and select lighting patterns on the fly. Imagine navigating challenging nighttime trails with a wide beam illuminating your surroundings. Rough Country's laser whip lights ensure you see potential hazards before they become a problem. This increased visibility makes night off-roading safer for everyone. But these lights are about more than safety. They're about fun. Add a touch of personality to your vehicle and create a captivating atmosphere during nighttime adventures with color-changing patterns. EGR Rolltrak. Truck bed woes got you down? Uncumbersome your life with the EGR Rolltrak, the retractable bed cover that combines ultimate convenience with top-notch security. Forget bulky tonneau, covers that steel bed space and test your patience. The EGR Rolltrak boasts a sleek, low-profile design that integrates seamlessly with your truck. With a simple press of a button or a tap on your key fob, the cover effortlessly rolls open, revealing full bed access in seconds. No more wrestling with heavy panels or sacrificing precious time. Imagine the freedom of a fully open bed and the peace of mind of a secure lock. Constructed from durable, impact-resistant aluminum, the EGR Rolltrak ensures your cargo stays protected from the elements and even theft attempts. Plus, the easy-to-clean design keeps your cover looking sharp for years to come. But the EGR Rolltrak offers more than just basic functionality. This innovative cover comes in various configurations to perfectly match your truck's bed seas and needs. Some models even integrate with your truck's central locking system for ultimate convenience. Thule Hullavator Pro. Love exploring the outdoors, but dread the struggle of loading bulky gear onto your roof rack? The Thule Hullavator Pro is the innovative roof rack loader that saves your back and gets you on the road faster. This ingenious device features a telescopic arm that extends outwards, allowing you to easily place your kayak or other bulky item onto the rack. No more precarious balancing acts or risking injury trying to lift heavy gear overhead. Imagine loading your kayak or surfboard onto your roof rack in seconds, all by yourself. The Hullavator Pro's assist arm smoothly guides your gear into place, taking the weight and strain out of the process. Plus, with integrated tie-down straps and a secure locking mechanism, you can rest assured your cargo is safe and sound during your journey. But the Thule Hullavator Pro is more than just a kayak loader. This versatile system can handle a variety of bulky roof cargo, from paddleboards and surfboards to lumber and even roof boxes. The adjustable design ensures compatibility with most roof rack setups, making it a universal solution for your outdoor adventures. Piranha Series Hood. Stock hood got your engine feeling like it can't breathe? Craving a look that matches your ride's aggressive performance? Then unleash the power of the Piranha Series hood with functional air vents. This feature-packed upgrade is the perfect blend of bold style and improved engine cooling. The Piranha Series hood isn't just about looks. This hood boasts a head-turning design that screams power, but it also features integrated air vents that are fully functional. These vents channel cool air directly into your engine compartment, keeping it from overheating. Imagine pushing your engine to the limit without worrying about overheating. The Piranha Series hood ensures optimal engine temperature, especially during intense driving conditions. This translates to improved performance, increased reliability, and peace of mind behind the wheel. But the Piranha Series hood offers even more. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, This hood is built to take on the elements and the demands of off-road adventures. Plus, with its easy installation process, you can be enjoying the benefits of this upgrade in no time. Reliencer 2PC TractionTracks. Ever get stuck in mud, sand, or snow and feel like you're out of options? Don't call a tow truck yet. Reliencer 2PC. TractionTracks are your personal escape route from tricky terrain. These aren't bulky or complicated. Made from indestructible UV-stabilized rubber with a galvanized steel core, these lightweight and compact tracks easily fit in your trunk. They deploy quickly when you need them most. Imagine getting yourself unstuck easily without waiting for a tow truck. Simply place the Reliencer TractionTracks under your driving wheels, and within minutes, you'll be back on your way. The aggressive tread pattern provides superior grip on mud, snow, sand, or even loose gravel. But Reliencer TractionTracks offer more than just recovery. Their bright color enhances roadside visibility in case of emergencies, and the included carrying bag makes storage and transportation a breeze. That was a wild ride through the future of driving, wasn't it? Those inventions are guaranteed to put your car in the fast lane to awesomeness. What mind-blowing features are you most excited to see hit the road? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech and car content that will keep you revving your engines for more. Until next time, happy driving.